Okay, so there are a lot of people out there who are DIYers, correct? So if you are like, those people are going to go downstairs to their boiler, their mechanical room, they're going to look at whatever they need to fix, and then they're going to start Googling about that machine. And what you can do is you can run ads in your market saying like, hey, we're the local repair guys who can fix this problem for you, because a lot of times those DIYers have good intentions but can't follow through because they get stumped. The other thing is you can start putting manufacturer notes on your webpage, basically separate web pages saying, hey, we service this boiler, we service this air conditioning unit, and stick with the manufacturers, and that'll ping it so it comes up in your area. It's a good way to get those people who want to be the DIYers but then get stuck and just decide, you know what, screw it, my hands are dirty, I don't know what I'm doing, I'm going to call a plumber.